Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to understand credit utilization with Bright. Credit utilization is the ratio of your credit card balance to your total credit limit, and it's one of the most important factors in your credit score. With Bright, tracking and managing your credit utilizations becomes effortless. Once you link your card, Bright automatically monitors your balance and calculates your utilizations in real time. You're going to get alerts when your usage creeps too high, typically above 30%, which can start, of course, to hurt your credit score. Bright then helps you to pay down those balances with smart automated payments that, of course, target the right cards at the right time, lowering your utilizations while keeping your budget intact. You'll also see how your utilization trends over time so that you can make informed decisions and improve your credit score steadily. With Bright, understanding and improving credit utilizations becomes simple and actionable. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.